It was so needed, and it was like sort of heaven sent in a way. You know, it was a solution. It was so easy. It made me look amazing because it's like, wow, look at this, Rob's found it. Sorry, I can't take the credit because I didn't invent it. I just found it. But it fit the bill and it solved so many problems. So, regards to putting money on it, it's a priceless application, which was well needed. Wheels for All is a national accessible cycling charity, and we promote inclusive cycling through a range of community engagement programs. So my role is National Logistics and Mechanics Manager. Basically, I look after all the fleet of cycles within the country. So from maintaining them, making sure they're in good shape and safe working order, making sure we track them, we know where they are. So the type of assets we track using itemit are cycles, but adapted cycles. So these are specially adapted for people with different needs, whether mental or physical needs. For itemit, we were managing our assets on spreadsheets and piece of paper. It wasn't working. I was given a problem, and it was get control over the assets. Itemit has helped us with our audit. We needed to prove we had control of our assets. We found that we needed. This was perfect for what we needed. The software allowed us to demonstrate that we had control over our assets, and we basically found the best solution. The most helpful features of itemit for our organisation are the info properties, the information, so being able to list certain bits of information within the text area of the application. Also, we've been able to create fleets of cycles and allocate them to certain locations. We have over 26 locations within the country, so then we can allocate cycles to that fleet, and then if they do move around, we can scan them on site, and that will update its location automatically. Another helpful feature of itemit is the ability to produce reports. So as and when we need it, we can group certain bits of information and then produce a report from that. The biggest benefit of working with itemit from a Wheels for All point is the ability to operate in the field with a mobile device, just purely because we can scan an item at the side of a truck or whilst in between running a session. It brings up the history from a maintenance point of view, so we can see what's been done and when. It's just makes it so easy for me to then identify what's wrong. So using itemit has revolutionised our asset management because it's given us total control of all the assets within the charity, and they can be accessed on site and accessed by local centres.